Hi there. Are you an electronics engineer who can design and build circuits? Then I have something very interesting for you. World Energy Challenge 2023. So this is an online contest organized by us at CircuitDigest in association with DigiKey. And for this year, the prize money is really huge. So here, take a look at it. The winners can take home up to 4 lakh rupees cash prize by just building a project and submitting it online. So all you have to do is get over to our website. The link can be found somewhere over here. And once you're on the website, you can see the contest page and we have given all the details on how you can build the project and how you can submit it. Read through it and then click on the participate button and submit your ideas. Once your idea has been accepted, our team will get in touch with you on how you can proceed with submitting the project. That being said, we are very excited to see what you will be building. The contest is completely free and it is open for everyone to participate. May the best project win. All the best.